Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate split screen mode on any Android device. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your any app. Now press this button and click on Facebook icon. Here you can see the option of split screen. Press on this. Now you can able to open any app. That's it. So this is how to activate split screen mode on any Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.